Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to be making an easy dinner recipe using onions. So this is called Malai Pyaaz Sabji and this is super easy to make. Very few ingredients. Ingredients list is given in the description box below. For more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's jump right in. So I've taken a pan, I've put it on medium-high heat and heated some oil in it. Now we're going to do a tadka in this. So I'm adding cumin seeds, dry red chilli, hing or asafoetida and bay leaf to the oil. We'll let the cumins brown a little. Once that's done, we'll add in the ginger garlic paste. And then we'll cook the ginger garlic paste until it loses its raw smell. Now it's time to add the onions. The onions have been quartered and I'm adding it into the pan. Let's saute this along with the ginger garlic and the other spices. Once everything is nicely sauteed, we'll add in some green chilies which have been slit. Along with it goes the rest of the powders, which is red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, some Aamchur powder or dry mango powder and turmeric powder. Now we mix all the masalas into the onion and coat it nicely. Now in goes salt to taste. Again, mix everything together. Now we'll add some hot water to this mixture so that the gravy is formed. So add little by little and then mix and form a gravy. Once this is done, we'll cover and cook this for 5 to 8 minutes on low flame. Once it's nicely cooked, we're adding some crushed Kasuri Methi to this. Again, mix everything together. And add in some fresh cream. Bring everything together once again. And we'll let the cream cook for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure you stir it occasionally. So once the cream is cooked, the curry is ready to be served. You can serve this with chapati, roti, or it can also be a side dish for rice. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.